Heat is on in this back parking lot. Okay, we're enjoying the sunshine, we're enjoying the summer. Maybe you're taking it outdoors for a picnic. How about a high-tech picnic? Our tech journalist Akash Sablok back with us. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you. Good morning.
I've heard the hype behind this. The coolest cooler. How cool is this thing with all the gadgets and options?
This thing is so perfectly named. Like I've been walking around this thing, looking at this thing, and every corner has some new gadget in here. So I mean, obviously it's a nice looking cooler. It's got a really great handle. Yeah. Super extra wide wheel, so great anything over any terrain. You know, it's got 4 cup holders here on the top. But let me show you a couple of things. And I'll in the front here, it's got a nice little Bluetooth removable speaker. So I'll put that over here for us.
Nice.
And in this compartment also, it's got a magnetic wine and bottle opener, right? And then if that's not enough, it's actually got a bottle opener right here. But get this, when the caps fall, this is magnetic. So you're not making a mess of wherever you are in the park or wherever you are, right?
But wait, there's more.
So in the back here, there's actually a USB charger, so you can plug in your phone while you're hanging out on the beach because you need the tunes, right? But in the cooler itself here, so you've got a compartment here, that section that holds a plate. You've got a nice built-in ceramic knife, so it's all in there. And then I'll just tilt this forward here. Now it's got 2 compartments. And the cool thing is, you can slide this out. This is actually a cutting board, or you can leave it in there, put your ice and everything on this side, and put your sandwiches on here so they don't get wet.
What?
And then it's got a little drain at the bottom, so when you're done at the end of the day, just hit the button. In the back here on the handle, it's actually got a bungee cord, so if you put stuff on top and everything, it's got a cord. Oh, there's more on this side.
What if we want a smoothie?
I'm getting there. There's actually a built-in light here, so you can see what's going on. But yes, if you want that smoothie, you just pull this guy out, you put it on here, and you pull the button. So you are the coolest guy on the beach or in the baseball field or wherever you are. So.
And that's the segment, everybody. Good night. How do you top that?
Well, you know, if you're going to be out on the beach and you're going to be out and even lounging around anywhere you are, and you need to inflate something, either an air mattress or a boat. You know, if you're on the lake or something. Or even if you've got a bike or a basketball or something like that, this is Black & Decker's 20-volt inflator. And 20 volts is just one part of it, and I'll show you here. So it runs off a battery, which is a standard Black & Decker 20-volt battery. It's a great lithium-ion battery. Or you can actually run it off your car battery. It's got a car battery plug.
Oh, wow.
Or, hey, standard 110. You can even use that. So it's got 3 different sections here. Now, the couple of cool things. So you have a choice of inflating inflatables. So this is a high-speed inflatable hose here. Or you can use the bike, if you're inflating a bike tire or something like that. But the cool thing is like, say, your bike tire, it's 110 PSI or 100 PSI. You just type in 100 PSI, and it'll stop automatically there. So you don't have to sit there and watch it and worry about it overinflating your tires.
Perfect.
And nice and portable. And it'll inflate quite a bit before it runs out of battery.
Okay, what about the mosquito repellent?
So this is Thermacell's mosquito repellent. So it's got a couple of neat features in it. So it's got a little mosquito pad here on top that lasts about 4 hours, and it runs on butane gas, which is included. But it's also got a nice little light. I know it's so bright out here you won't be able to see it, but it's got a nice little light. You can have it steady on light or a flickering light. It actually also helps repel mosquitoes, and it's got a 15-foot radius. So that's a nice circle to sit around. You're sitting around your cooler, your inflatable tire, and
making
you got this
smoothie.
Making smoothies, right?
Charging your phone.
Exactly. Exactly. So when you're out in the sun, and this is really important, I mean, not only for your health, but just for visual. I've got the Serengeti Maestro's glasses here. Now, these are the Sport Edition, so they're great on the water. So if you're on the beach, the polarization actually helps you see on the water. Plus, of course, they also have a great UV protection. And these particular ones are drivers as well. So you get in your car, and they're great for seeing traffic lights and everything in the bright sun.
We're set.
Wonderful.
We're set for the picnics. Listen, some great ideas here, Akash. Thank you so much for coming by. And NowYouKnow.net is the website. How much does this bad boy go for, by the way?
That starts at about $250, and with options and everything, you can get up about $300-400.
You'd be the coolest parent at the baseball park. Okay.
Absolutely.
Listen, I know you got some tunes. You're going to play us out. Isabel, is it art or is it graffiti? We're going to get to the bottom of this. Now the picnic's set.